Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about alter command. Uh, Alter, this is very useful actually. Uh, you know, at many places we use this alter command. If we want to change, I'll show you here how where we can use this. Suppose if you want to change the table name, you want to rename the table name. At that time we use alter command. Rename table name. You want to rename column name. You want to add column name, add column. If you want to drop column, okay. If you want to what else, if you want to modify columns data type, or if you want to sorry, column spelling is not correct. Yeah, if you want to add or drop, I mean primary key or foreign key. Primary key or foreign key. I'll write here itself primary or foreign key. So all these things can be performed using alter command. Suppose you have created the table, now you want to change the table name. So using alter command you can do that. The same you can do with column name and all. So things are very simple. I'll explain you with example in SQL workshop. Let's jump there and see the examples. Suppose here we have a table called other employees as we created last time. Select star from other employees. Let's do run it. We have these many data. As you can see, we have these many data in this table. Now what we want to do, we want to change the name of the this table. It is other employees. We want to make it as my employees. How you can do that? We'll have to write alter command, alter table other employees, rename is a keyword, rename to my employees. Simple. Okay, when you will be writing this query, it means that you are gonna change this other employees table name to my employees table name. All right, let's run this query. Table altered. Now do select star from other employees. It will say table or data and table or view doesn't exist. See, table or view doesn't exist because now we have renamed this table to my employees. Do select star from my employees. My employees, run this query. See, so we have a new table called my employees. All right, so this is, you learned how to rename the table. Okay, the first point. Now we'll see how to rename the column. Okay, suppose we have a column called test. Now we want to make it as example. So how we will do that? We'll do alter table my employees, rename. There is a keyword called column, test to example. See, we are altering the table, alter table my employees, rename column test to example. Okay, so as you can see, example is very simple. Let's run this query. Table altered. Now do select star for my employees. See, it was test, it has become example. We have renamed this column. All right, let's see the third, add column. How we can add the column? Okay, so we can add column using alter command. See how we can add that. Alter table my employees, add, no need to write anything, column or anything, add, I'll write test and the data type number. add test number. Let's run this query. You can write anything here. I am creating number type column. You can write varchar, globe, whatever you want to, int, whatever you want to write, you can write it here. Because I'm actually creating a number typed column here, so I've written number. Let's run this query. Table altered. Now do select star from employees. So as you can see, we have one more column called test. Okay. Now the next thing is drop column. Yeah. So we have created the column test. Now we want to drop this test column. How we'll do that? We'll again run alter command, alter table my employees drop. This type we have to write the column. This time we have to write the column keyword column and then name of the column test. Okay. Here when we are creating, we are not writing column keyword. Here when we are dropping, we need to write column keyword. Okay, so we'll run this query. Table altered. Do select star from my employees. Test column has been omitted from here, has been gone from here because we have deleted that, dropped that column. Okay. Now modify columns data type. Yeah. This is also very important. Suppose we have an example. Where is the example? We have this column as example. Okay, so let's check what's the data type of this column. How we'll check that? We'll describe the table. DESC my employees. Run. Example is of number type. Okay. We want to convert it to varchar type. We have the example column which is having number type. We want it to be altered as varchar type. Okay, because we are gonna store the characters over example in example column. All right. So what we'll do? We'll alter the table. Okay. Do select star from employees table. This is of number type. We'll be converting it to varchar type. But before converting it to varchar type, we will have to make sure that there is no any data in this column. If any of the data is present in this column, it's not going to allow us to change the data type of this column. Okay, so first of all we'll have to make it empty. We'll have to make this column empty, then we'll change the data type of this column. All right, so currently we don't have any data in example table. As you can see, I'll show you. Select example from my table. My employees. Let's run this. See, we don't have any data. Okay, actually we don't have any data, so it's not coming here anything. Or we'll write something where example is not null. Example is not null. Okay, so when I'm saying example is not null, all not null value will come here. But as you can see, everything is having null value. It means we don't have any value in example column. All right, so we can, it means that we can alter the column. We can convert the data type of column from number to varchar. How we'll do that? Simple. We'll run an alter command. Alter table my employees. Now this time we'll write modify. Okay, modify column, modify example. It was number. I'm simply writing here varchar 200. Okay, no need to write column keyword and no need to write the last or the current key, data type. We'll simply write example varchar 2. Run this query. Table altered. Now describe the table. So as you can see, it was number before. It was number. Now it has been converted to varchar. So as you can see, we can perform all these operations using alter command. To see the primary key, how we'll add primary key using alter command, how we will drop primary key using alter command. I'll explain this thing when I'll explain about the primary key and foreign key. Okay, at that time itself I'll explain about the adding and dropping of primary key using alter command. Alright, hope this tutorial is beneficial to you. You got some concept about alter command, and if you like the video, please like it and share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We have a lot of things to learn about SQL and PL SQL, and later on we'll learn about Oracle Apex, which will, you know, when we'll learn about all these things, we'll create our own web application, and the web application will be so much you know, professional, and what you see in, you know, in your other sites, you would be able to create a web application like that. So just be with me and subscribe the channel if you want to get to know about all these things. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the tutorial.